Hello everyone, it's Emily. Well, I'm currently in my vehicle driving to a hair appointment. It has been long awaited. It got canceled before, and then before that, after that, and then yeah, now we're here. I'm driving to Beverly Hills right now for my hair appointment, and then I have another appointment for my eyebrows, and I'm really excited. And I'm just gonna look like a whole new person by the end of today. I was like, I'm gonna vlog. I'm just gonna be a whole new person today. And why not show you guys the process? It's basically like a huge transformation, winter glow up. But wow, the tire in the middle of the freaking road. This is what I'm saying, guys. I gotta focus. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. See you later. Guys, I'm hella blonde. Look how good. It looks so good. I'm obsessed with it. It's definitely what I wanted. And I just need to put on makeup and see how I actually look. But this is the look. I'm gonna set you guys up and chit chat with y'all. Okay, so I just went to the Grove. So I actually went to Cha-Cha Matcha to get avocado toast. They didn't have avocado toast because they limited their menu. So I just got a matcha lemonade and a banana loaf because I was starving, but it made me feel really sick because it just had like a lot of chocolate in it. And I just can never have that as my breakfast. Otherwise I will feel so gross. So I went to the Grove, to Starbucks, Barnes & Noble. Obviously they didn't have oatmeal, so went to Coffee Bean. They didn't have anything I could eat besides a fruit bowl, so this is me eating my fruit bowl. I got two things from Brand New. One is for my Secret Santa with my friends, and the other's for me. I'll show you guys my item, but I'm not going to show my Secret Santa item because I don't know if they're watching this video. It's currently 2:25. I'm about 2 minutes away from my brow place. So I'm kind of just posted up until then. LA is just kind of scary because like you never know where to park. Luckily right now I'm in like a parking garage, and I'll probably chill here until I have to go to my appointment. But I'm obsessed with my hair. It's so light. It's so icy. Like I literally just wanted it to be so icy. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be like a new person. I'm gonna have to put on makeup because otherwise you can't get the full effect. I really want to get some pictures before anything. Like after my eyebrows, I might just put on makeup and take some car selfies, or I don't know. I just really want pictures because I'm so blonde. It's like crazy. I feel like whenever I get my hair done, even though I was like blonde before, it grows out so much that I forget that what I look like being blonde. But I think this is the blondest I've ever been. After my eyebrow appointment, hopefully it's not gonna take too long, I'm gonna get some real food. Ew, that grape tasted really weird. I also got a greens with ginger juice because your girl has not been drinking enough water. Let me show you the shirt I got. It's from Brandy, guys. I've been loving Brandy lately. It's like one of my favorite stores to shop at. And I just got this graphic tee. I've been loving just little graphic tees, and this one's a white one, and it just says Matthews Band New York Live. Don't ask me if I've listened because I didn't. Guys, comment down below if you like hate that you use filters, because I hate that I use them because it honestly makes my face look way better than it actually does. So like what you see on camera is like real, but then what you see on Instagram is just not. And I'll see you guys, honestly, after. I'll insert the stories from my eyebrows because I'm gonna take hella stories, and I'll see you guys after. Okay guys, it took me so long to get back home, but I'm finally here. The sun's going down. I want to show you guys my eyebrows. How amazing do they look? I'm obsessed with them. I'm obsessed with the girl that did them. Her name was Susie from Fly Brows. Like, she laminated them, which is basically just like, I don't really know, but it makes it look really full, like the soap brow effect that's like really in right now. She laminated them and shaped them, and she did an amazing job, and she was so sweet. So Fly Brows, Susie, my girl, go check it out. I can't get my eyebrows wet for 24 hours, and I fully plan on doing makeup, but I'm not gonna do makeup because I don't want to take it off with just micellar water. So that's the tea. Okay guys, I just put on a full face of makeup. I'll show you guys in better light, but I'm in the bathroom because Adi hasn't seen my hair in like all its glory, like with makeup on, but I'm gonna go show him right now. Okay, this lighting's really bad, but we're gonna go reveal to him. Babe.
Babe, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Babe, I'm here and I'm ready.
Okay. Switch spots.
We're supposed to look at Emily or something.
With makeup on.
Hey,
with my new hair. Like, ready, set, open.
Oh my gosh, the camera in front of your face. Wow.
You're so mean to me.
You're so beautiful.
You're meanie.
Beautiful Elsa.
Elsa?
You kind of look like her.
Really? Do you like it?
Yeah. Again,
New
anytime
girlfriend.
you dye your hair, I like it. New girlfriend.
New girlfriend alert.
Yeah, you look gorgeous, babe.
Give him like a 360 of my hair.
Yeah. Look at that montage.
This is no montage.
But do you want to hop in my TikTok?
Okay guys, oh my god. My tongue is blue. Okay, so basically we just filmed Adi's TikToks, the aftermath. I was eating these Takis. They're like new Takis, blue heat Takis, and I love Takis. Like I used to eat them always when I was younger. Oh my god. So I tried the blue heat ones and I ate a few and they're so good, but I didn't realize it turned my mouth blue. So that's disappointing, but this is the outro. So thank you guys for watching and seeing like my little mini transformation with my hair. I'm obsessed with it. Like, look at that. Look at the highlights just blend in. But I hope you enjoyed. I am going to the snow soon, so I'm definitely going to be vlogging that. I'm really excited, so stay tuned for the vlogs. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.